So this one is called the Calzone. Cover with flour. And for this one, we press. We don't want the crust. We want all the air out. We want to make sure that it's nice and flat, all the same level, nice and even. Make sure all the air is out. Don't go too big because it is going to stretch again when you close it. So once you are at this point, a little bit more than a hand, you can go directly on the pala. Always cover it with a little bit of flour. Okay. Take the pizza, shake it, bring on top here. For this calzone, today we are putting some mozzarella first. Prosciutto Cotto. This is the most traditional one that we have in Italy. Cremini Mushrooms. A little bit of salt on top of the mushrooms. Then we put some water. I show you a little trick, so keep some water close to you. You can go all around the edge. Don't put too much water, otherwise you're gonna have a problem when closing it. At the very end, we put the tomato sauce. I put the tomato sauce now because I don't want that to start releasing the water. And if we have water, then it will open when we cook. Don't put too much. We can close it. We take this side, we flip it on top, we close it, and we have to make sure that it is well sealed. So press it very, very, very well. Press it very, 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 very well. Seal all the way around by just doing. So you take one side, you stretch it, bring it over, close it. Take, stretch all the way around. So to finish it, before going in the oven, some premium quality Zerillo extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit on top, not too much, like this. With your hand, you just spread it all the way around. Okay, and we are ready to go in the oven. Keep it to the right side of the oven, not too close to the flame, because you want that to cook slowly and gently. Otherwise it will burn and the inside won't be cooked, especially where the edge, where there is the dough that basically is double. We want that to cook properly. Let's cut it